Good day everyone, welcome to Mozelon Farm. Today I want to talk about the vegetable crop as usual. A lot of people have been asking me different kind of questions on how to grow a tomato crops. Now as a beginner, you want to enter into tomato plantation or you want to be a tomato farmer. What and what you supposed to know so that you no face a lot of challenges, a lot of problems on the run along the way, so that your mind will be at peace. What and what you supposed to know as a beginner, what you need to know so that you can enjoy yourself throughout the period of your cultivation. Number one, you need to do what we call market survey, or you do a feasibility study. I call it market survey or feasibility study. That is number one. Number two, you need to choose your species or varieties of the tomatoes that you want to grow. So that is number two. So let me pause it for now. I will not exaggerate more on the other aspect. So these two aspects, I'm going to explain it one after the other so that you can be able to know what to do and what you're supposed to know at the back of your mind, so that when you want to enter into this business, you can be able to do things easier as you like. I said market survey or feasibility study. What is all this one means? This market survey or feasibility study, a lot of people will be planting different kind of tomatoes around your area. You need to go to the market, ask them what are the kind of tomatoes they are planting there. That is why I said feasibility study or market survey. So when you go out to the market, you ask, you hold it at the back of your mind, the type of the species of the tomatoes. Because we have different kind of species, different kind of varieties we are planting in tomatoes. Now in this our region, southwest, now if you plant the one they are planting in northern area, if you go and grow it around this place, there is probability that when you are cultivating it, you are going to face a lot of issues by insects, by fungi and some other diseases that surrounding it due to the nature of our environment. That is why I say you should go outside to go and make a feasibility study or market survey. So when these people tell you the type of varieties they are planting here, when you know it, then you are good to go. Then number two, then I said you should choose your varieties, the species. What are the type of species we are planting? Mostly in this our southwest area, we do plant let me say common one we are planting here. We are planting Diva and Platinum. Mostly people planting Platinum here because the nature of our environment is good for it. So when you plant it, you are not going to face a lot of challenges. You are not going to face a lot of problems than the one they have been planting in northern area, whereby when they are planting it there, they feel comfortable. Because most people that are helping us to do this work, when we ask them, do you plant this species in your life? The process of stacking, the process of doing it, as you can see in this little of the farm here, as you can see, the little we are doing here. So the way we did our own is different from their own there. We asked them, they said no, they are not doing like this. So the kind of species they have been planting over there, if you plant it here, you are going to face probability, let me say 40 over 40 60. Yeah, so if you plant it here, so it's going to possible that it will give you partially good result, because I'm a good case study of it. So I plant some species that we are not yet growing in this area, which I face a lot of challenges, a lot of problems, even because of one or two ideas that we know in this business. But if you are a beginner, you want to venture into it, you face a lot of issues. So be a beginner. Number one, you go to your market strategy or market survey. then by feasibility study. Then when you go to the market, you ask them. When they tell you, number one, you choose your varieties. The variety, the species, which is the second point. So when you know the kind of the species you want to plant, then you are good to go. Then you now take all these things at the back of your mind. You go to agrochemical dealer, you ask them what they told you. Maybe you want to plant platinum or diva, let me say badman. And so this common seed is being cultivated in this our region. So if you know all these things, then we are good to go. After you know it, then take it down directly to your nursery area. In my next